Yo, so what was Rick talking about earlier?
Man, he called me into his office. Here, Mr. Gilmore, can I speak to you? I need you in my office ASAP. I go in there, man, heart beating fast.
Yeah.
I'm trying to hold it together, you know me. I'm like, all right, so when is gonna go on? He's like, well, I just came in with your quarterly review.
Yeah.
And you're getting a promotion.
Nuh-uh.
I swear, bro. He told me by Monday, I'm gonna be an assistant manager. Like, he's gonna start training me tomorrow. And by Monday, I'll be full in effect, getting the pay raise and everything. Like, yo, we gotta celebrate, turn up tonight, go downtown or something, man. Like,
no, for sure we will be. Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
We are gonna do that. That's this week, next week.
Yeah. Wow.
You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down. You're enchanting even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, girl, I would try to knock them down. I'm latching on, baby. Now I know what I have found. I think we're close enough. Can I lock up your love? I feel we're close enough. Can I lock up your love? Now I got you in my space. I won't let go of you. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching on to you. No holding back, I'm starting to latch. Our hearts are in sync, now there's no string attached. Girl, we made a pact, yeah, I got your back. She told me I'm all of the things that she lacked. She my better half or something like that. I told her that my heart is under attack, and she is the one that's holding the gun. She pulling the trigger, but no, I don't run. Bullets are flying like love in the air. Kissing her body, she pulling my hair. Should I take it there? Should I slow it down? No need to rush it, I'm stuck with you now. She like my style, and I like her smile. Kick off your shoes, girl, and stay for a while. Visions of you dressed up in a white gown. Writing this song is like exchanging vows. I'm so encaptured, got me wrapped up in your touch. Feel so enamored, hold me tight within your clutch. How do you do it, girl? You got me losing every breath. My heart bleed out of my chest. I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. Now I got you in my space. I won't let go of you. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching onto you. Now I got you in my space. I won't let go of you. I got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching onto you. You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down. I'm latching on, baby. Now I know what I have found.